Your car isn't just a vehicle anymore. It's a computer on wheels, constantly connected, constantly communicating, and constantly exposed. Modern cars use Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile apps, and cellular networks to deliver navigation, entertainment, diagnostics, and remote control features. That convenience turns every vehicle into a mobile data hub. But wherever there's connectivity, there's risk. Researchers have already demonstrated how attackers can exploit infotainment systems, abuse mobile apps, and move laterally into critical vehicle components. Once inside, attackers may access location data, microphone feeds, personal contacts, or in extreme cases interfere with vehicle behavior. Even when safety systems are isolated, privacy and control are still at stake. The danger isn't just hacking for fun. It's surveillance, stalking, data theft, and loss of trust in systems we rely on daily. Reducing the risk starts with strong software security, limited permissions, timely updates, and treating vehicles like the critical systems they are, not just consumer gadgets. As cars become smarter, the question isn't whether they can be hacked, it's how prepared we are when they are. This is tech made simple for all. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who drives a connected car.